Hello viewers, today I'll show you how to make a delicious curry puff roll using goat mince and vegetables. It needs a bit of work, but the results are awesome. To make the curry stuffing, I'll be using 300 grams of goat mince, some diced carrots and potatoes and some frozen peas, 3 to 4 tablespoons of onion paste, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, some chopped mint, 2 tablespoons of beaten yogurt, 30 milliliters of lemon juice, and some homemade goat stock with some fat in it. 1 teaspoon each haldi, garam masala and chili powder. Heat some oil in a pot and add the onion paste into it, followed by the ginger garlic paste. Fry them for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add the mince into the pot and fry it very well for another 3 to 4 minutes till it's nicely brown. Then add the lemon juice into the pot and blend it in. Then add the powdered spices and mix them in. Add the yogurt in 2 stages so that it blends in nicely. So 1 teaspoon or 1 tablespoon at a time, like I'm doing here. Blend it in. Now it's time to add the carrots and the potatoes into the pot and fry them for 2 to 3 minutes. Keep stirring the pot. Then add the goat stock into the pot and blend it in. Add salt according to your taste. Cover and cook for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, take the lid off to check if things have cooked. Then add the peas into the pot and the chopped mint leaves and mix and cook until the gravy dries out. This will take a couple of minutes. You can see that the gravy has dried out here. Our curry puff stuffing is done, and now you need to cool it in the fridge for a few hours. If you can, try to put the stuffing in a cling film as shown here and then chill, because that is ideal. For the puff roll, I'll be using Ready Roll lighter puff pastry, 1 beaten egg. On a baking tray, unroll the puff pastry. Cut out the required amount of pastry. Then take off the cling film from the chilled curry stuffing and put it on the pastry. Roll the pastry over the stuffing and seal the sides. Use a fork to crimp the edges like I'm doing here. It doesn't have to be neat. Use a knife to make holes on top of the pastry to let out the steam. Add a design of a shape of your liking on top. I'm adding the medical sign of the cross on top as a tribute to all medical staff who are fighting the coronavirus so selflessly. Let's put 2 heart shapes too. Brush the top and the sides of the curry puff roll with plenty of egg wash. Then sprinkle some white sesame seeds and some black nigella seeds on top. Put it in a preheated oven at 180 centigrade fan for 20 to 25 minutes till it is nicely browned and totally cooked like here. And there you go, our lovely spicy curry puff roll is ready. I'll cut it and show you just how delicious our curry puff roll looks inside as well. Trust me, it tastes absolutely awesome. Give it a try and enjoy.